This is Bill. Today we're going to talk about Wi-Fi and wireless radiation in a home. Remember, there are four types of electromagnetic radiation. There's electric radiation, magnetic radiation, Wi-Fi and wireless, and there's also dirty electricity. What we have here is a cell phone, a smartphone, and it's currently on airplane mode. And this is the Acousticom 2 meter. Very good little meter. This is one of my favorite meters for measuring Wi-Fi and wireless radiation. So it's very easy. You just press the button to turn it on. So we're going to turn it on. And there's LEDs from green to yellow to amber and to red. So anytime it's in the yellow and green, we're okay. So let me take the phone out of airplane mode. Let's see what happens with the meter. As you can see, it went all the way to the red. We're going to press the button one more time, and we're getting sound. So this is a great meter because you can look at the lights, plus you can get the sound. I'm going to turn the sound off just so you can hear me better. And what you would do with the device is you would slowly move it away until the lights got into the yellow or green. Now for sleeping, 0.05 is the safe level. And then for non-sleeping areas, 0.2 is the safe levels. And these are measured in volts per meter. Now, you might have a different meter, you might not have this, and they're measured differently. So please call me if you have a different meter or send me an email and I can tell you exactly the type of meter that you have and how it should be measured and what the safe levels are. These meters are available on through my website. I'd recommend if you don't have a meter, this is a great meter. Go to my website and you can purchase this meter at that site. This is Bill. Thanks again.